Well, guys, I guess my package finally came. So let's
Look at your dog now.
check it out. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Oh no, he's just digging around the yard. Let's open my pack up. It says my name too, Mary Jane. Oh look, it's cute though. Thank you for my package. And this looks like it is the extras. Wait one sec. Okay, this looks like it's the extras, I guess. It does say extras. See? She wrote got the air off of it, and then she wrote extras. So let's open it up. Go around this way, keep on. Okay, that's just too much tape to put on it. Way too much tape. It wasn't a Christmas present or anything. The first thing I pulled out is this. Nice little Victoria's Secrets Forever Pink perfume. So thank you. She don't have a YouTube camera, so yeah. Oh my god, this is so cute. Some hair clips, links, and the last thing in there was some Wet n Wild base coat clear, no wash. Now, open this up. Oh, let's get this first. And here's another extra. This is so cute. Thank you very much. She's the nicest person ever. $3.50. Pinky. Green melon. Extras. Don't cost. Enjoy. Thanks. I'll be right back. I need to use the restroom. Holy, my plug feels like really hot. Extras don't count. Cost. Enjoy. Okay, I will enjoy. Thank you very much. Now, oh, she gave me a little bit of money. Does this count? I'm just kidding. She didn't give me that, but it didn't cost. It was the extras. So thanks. Say shush up! Knock it off! Knock it off! Sorry guys, that is not me. That was my twin. She just loves octopus. She's like, oh my god, I can't even have that one. I like that. We have the same hairdo today. Okay, so here's my package, I guess. Oh my god, it's so sparkly. Look at that sparkle. My brother. Okay. First thing I got in there was, that's watermelon. Yeah, I think that's watermelon. And here's Pinky. Okay, let's see. I think this is Pinky. Let's open it up. Oh my god, it's just Pinky. It's cute. So right now, So that was my first slime I looked at. So this might be watermelon, I guess. Pinky, look at Pinky. Oh my god, it is the best. And let's look at watermelon. I'm not gonna touch watermelon, but it smells so good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My twin's gonna do one with these now. Really so funny. So I need to put my stuff back in here. So this will just put in. Set that in. Set this in. So I hope you guys like her video, or her. So yeah. Okay, it's my twin now, okay? She's back. Hello. This is me, the twin. Yeah, me. So, I think you guys mostly like my sister more, but me, yeah. So, yeah. So I hope you guys like me too. So, I'm gonna look at this cool little package. Okay. Let's open it up. Okay. Okay. This is how much it cost, I guess. $3.50. And then this is the thing. Extras don't count. Cost, enjoy. Pink cake, green, melon, extras. So, see you guys outside. I'm back. Okay. So, I'm gonna open that later. I think this is the extras. And the first thing I found in there is clear nail polish. And a bracelet. And Victoria's Secret smell good. Okay. This smells pretty good. My last thing I got in here was little clips. Thank you very much for giving me these clips. Everything you buy is like so fantastic. You're like oh my god. Like her little boxes though. I got a mixing tool for my little stuff. So I'll show you. Got my mixing tool. I'll just slide it around the corner. So I'm gonna go with this one first. I think this is pinky because it looks pink. what you need to be. And it like crumbles up when I mix it, but then like it will go together. So my sister's just like, oh, watching me over there. It's creepy. I think she helped you guys out a little. I don't think she did a package. I don't know. Having too much fun with this one. It's like huge. Okay. Thank you very much. So I guess I'm gonna use my mixing tool on this one. This one is such cool. I'll show you guys because it's way down here, so I need to pick it up. Look at all that goodness. It's like just like so fun to play with it. Guys, if you have slime, comment down below. Okay. So slime is just like fun. Okay, I need to put this away. So I guess I get to keep this. Because this slime package was cool, guys. What, sister? So you opened it, you tricked me the whole time. That was stupid. I hate her this time. I thought she was the best sister, ordered me something cute that I could do something with. And it was hers the whole time. That mean old lady. I just like, whenever she like gets me mad, she does that to me. She always does that to me. I don't know why, but I'm using up these little things from her little package. Wait, these were slime mixers? Weird. I don't think no one would use these for slime. Comment down below if you get this for slime. I wouldn't. Okay, bye. Okay, thanks for watching. That was a fun video, but I'm gonna have like a little like secret. My series will be fast. Don't worry. So you'll get this slime stick. You'll move it around. just grab about that much and then go. Okay, stop. Now just mix around. I always want to play with one in a tiny little container like that. That was fun, I guess. Oh, my slime's getting stuck out. I hope you guys liked my video. Like and subscribe. If you subscribe, we will be giving away one of my slimes. Okay. So I know people, comment down below if you don't have slime, then I will give you slime. I'm only giving it to one person. Okay. Gotta say one thing nice about me though, okay? If it's really nice, I'm gonna really give it to you. You'll have to live like somewhere, cause I cannot like give it. You have to live in like somewhere where I live, Bishop, California. So yeah. So see you later. Hope you have a good day, or a good night. Hope you have a good day or a good night.